beauties, it's Viviana, and today, so if you're new to my channel, you might not know, well, if you're new to my channel, you should probably consider subscribing. And also, you might not know that I have a series on my channel called I Don't See Texture, where I recreate hairstyles done on persons with naturally straight hair on my own kinky Afro textured hair. And you know, if you don't see texture, then it's practically the same hairstyle. I hope I don't have to spell out the satire part. So I do get a lot of suggestions for videos found on TikTok and on Instagram and on, why is that so hard to say? On TikTok and on TikTok and on Instagram. I do get requested to do some videos that definitely not meant to cross over. Like, that's for the straight hair people. Either it's just not necessary for my texture here, or it just not make no sense. None of that. But for some reason, I still save the videos and have them in a folder, and I was going through that and I'm like, why make assumptions? I'm laughing because I know I shouldn't. So this first video is not an I don't see texture video because she has texture. However, I know that technique will not work for my hair because I don't have curly hair, I have kinky hair, and finger coils don't work for my hair. And if you're gonna say, well, maybe Viviana, it's because you have your hair bleached and it's colored red, maybe that's why, and your hair is damaged, that's why it's not curly. No. We've gone through this on my channel already. I link a video up in the iCards where I show up close my virgin hair texture before I ever use heat in my hair, before I ever put a splash of color in my hair. My hair just don't have a curl. It just doesn't. But don't know genetics. But for the heck of it, let's give it a try. We're just testing, so this little piece at the front will work. She didn't mention gel, but I'm gonna add a little bit of gel. A little bit. So I'm just going to simply wrap the hair around the handle of the brush. And then she didn't waste any time. Her hair is still wet when she pulled it out. So, same technique. Spiraling the brush handle. It's working, it's working. Okay. Why is this not unraveling? Is this actually working? No, this can't be working. Actually, I think it's the gel that is keeping it in the form of the brush. As you can see, my hair texture is not in the spiral any at all. And even if I did get somewhat of a spiral-ish, even though I never expected none at all. Really, imagine me doing this to my entire head of hair. How still would I have to be so my hair dries like this? It will still be one big afro. So if I really wanted to get spiral curls from using the handle of my brush, I could buy 50 brushes and secure them in my wet hair until my hair fully dries. Or I could try and get spiral curls some other way. Alright, heatless straight hair. We love heatless straight hair. To mold. Did I miss something? What was wrong with her hair before? I'm not sure what changed. Let's take another small section to try this out on. So I'm just going to dampen it. Damp it up.
appreciate YouTube tutorials, you know. TikTok don't give enough time for a lot of detail. So here we are making so much assumptions. So many assumptions. So we're just going to keep wrapping. I really want to see how she wrap this because
let me try and get it closer to the roots.
I know someone cussing me say this is not how you wrap it to get it straight, or I'm not doing it properly, but how else? She never showed me how she wrap it, and I don't know how else I can wrap the hair so it can come out straight. But the thing is, with any type of hair, especially kinky, curly hair, to get it straight, you need some kind of tension. Because I've done heelless straightening techniques, but what you will see from all of those techniques is that we allow the hair to dry with tension. I mean, different texture, different techniques, or maybe if I put a ruler on the hair or a bamboo stick or a skewer or something and then like pull my hair stretched on the skewer and then wrap the plastic around my hair, around the skewer so that, you know, with tension. Should I bother? Should I bother to leave this here? Child, it's not holding on to shit diddly squat, right? Maybe this is the African threading for straight hair.
Walking you through my flippy blow dry look, split hair into sections, and twist hair away from face.
I've seen many variations of something like this. It's not that I think it won't work. What the hell do I know? First of all, how long it going to take my hair to dry?
Instead of trying it on half my hair, let's try it on a quarter of my hair. Like, I'm doing this knowing it not gonna work. Knowing it. But here we are. So let's twist it away from my face. I am twisting tightly, okay? My hair is just going to want to poof up back. That's just what it does. It's just going to want to poof up back at roots. I think this is the furthest. Trust me, my roots are tight. So this is the furthest. I did not anticipate physics, equal and opposite force, okay? I am putting a force on my hair to stay in this direction, and my hair is putting a force on my hand to say, let me go, I want to go back in the other direction. Like, my hair is fighting my fingers to untwist. So, I'm holding it with my entire fist. I'm trying, alright? Let's see.
Make sure your blow dryer is on hot. Then let it set for 1 to 2 minutes. Here are the
I've only gone 2 minutes and 15 seconds. And when I tell you, my poor fingers are crying out, I don't know if I can take this much longer. I soon stop, okay? I soon stop. I'm sorry. I tried my best, but this, it's hard. And 38 seconds, alright? That's I tried. Alright? Then she just let it go, and there were cute little flippy curls, okay? Yeah.
How easy was that?
Not easy at all. Different hair, different technique. So if I was really trying to get this flippy curl thing with the same twist technique, I would put something in my hair to anchor this twist shape with. Yeah. What I would have done is to put something in my hair to anchor the twist toe. Yeah. As a matter of fact, now I'm thinking about it, I'd probably do rat curls. Yeah. Yeah. Jumbo rat curls in these 4 sections, and I allow my hair time to completely dry without cramping up my fingers and holding a blow dryer on the section. Like, no, for real. I need a break. My arm hurts.
Yay, intermission! So in this video I'm doing 4 hacks I know darn well ain't gonna work for me. However, for each of them I've told you guys how I could possibly make them work for my hair. Leave your comments down below to let me know which hack I should try to modify to make it work for my hair. Okay, let's continue the video.
So you know this hack kind of have some hope? It could possibly work in my hair. This pencil gonna have a fight. Alright, forward and back. Wait, make sure it detangled. Fully detangled. Okay, good. Forward and back. Wait. Forward and back. Forward. Back. Forward and back. Alright, it's 2. Alright, not bad so far. Forward and back. Is it working? Forward and back. I know, oh no, I know the pencil is stuck. Okay, so, my kinky hair just really wants to stay wrapped around the pencil. And we're stuck. Friction! Yeah, by the time I reach here, it doesn't want to let go of the pencil. It's different texture, different technique. How would I make this work? Learn to flat twist. or tuck and roll. Just go like this. Just tuck the hair and roll. Just do this. Maybe this won't work for persons with straight hair because their hair doesn't have a lot of friction, so it would just slide out or loosen up really easy. But for kinky hair, just go like this and adding an elastic at the end will hold that in place. That's that. Held. Done. The friction that's working against me for this pencil technique works for me for tuck and roll. I mean, I don't know if that's totally true, but I'm guessing.
Girl on TikTok do this, and I'm gonna try it today. To tame the frizz, because we all get that frizz, you take tin foil and you rub your hair down. And it worked like magic on her. So I'm gonna try it now. I don't really know how you're supposed to do this stuff. You're supposed to like wrap it.
I'm gonna need somebody with naturally straight hair to answer me just one question down below in the comment section. Why they couldn't just use a soft bristle brush? Like, I'm seriously curious. Like, or is this just for social media? Like, I know how social media work.
the hack life, you try and just use something different like floss and foil to get a similar result to something basic like using a brush? Or are they doing something to their straight hair that the floss and the foil did differently than what a brush could achieve? I'm seriously curious. For these last two videos, I don't need to try on my own hair. They are not meant for my hair at all. They're trying to reduce frizz and my hair is made up of frizz. Anyway, beauties, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and give me a thumbs up if you did. If you're new to my channel, be sure to check out my iCards so you can watch more, get more familiar with my channel, and then if you can actually sit down through 1 or 2 more of my videos, it just simply means that you enjoy my content and it just makes sense to subscribe. Okay, beauties, thanks again for watching. Later! Mwah.